My name's Graham. I live in Broxburn, West Lothian, and I wanted to get a smart meter fitted in 2019 to save me money and keep an eye on my energy use. I was really keen to decarbonise my lifestyle, and I've taken steps since getting a smart meter to do that. I've bought an electric car. I charge that from my solar panels and from the grid. I've got a home battery installed so I can use my excess solar in the evening and also charge that up from the grid. Then I realised that my gas usage was contributing to my carbon footprint, so I eradicated my gas hob, got an induction hob, and I replaced my gas boiler with an air source heat pump, which is also powered from my home battery and from the grid. I decided to use a time of use tariff to save myself money, basically. If I'd been using a standard variable tariff or a normal fixed energy tariff, my energy costs would be through the roof with the amount of electricity we use. Just by being on a time of use tariff, over the last 125 days, I've saved over £1,400 compared to what I'd normally be paying on a standard variable rate. So after the pandemic, we're all used to things being a bit more flexible, like you've got more flexible working hours, working from home and things like that. I see these innovative tariffs as being one more form of flexibility. You can have more flexibility about how you use your electricity, how you pay for that electricity as well. For example, by rewarding you by moving into the off-peak and cheaper, less dirty periods of electricity generation, you can actually save yourself quite a significant amount of money. And that's all part of how society is moving. My smart meter allows me to access these time of use tariffs by taking half-hourly readings. So it knows what electricity I am using every half-hour period, and it reports this back to my energy supplier and then bill me accordingly to what I have used in those periods. Being environmentally friendly is important to me. Obviously I've taken some big steps like the home battery, solar power, the heat pump and things like that. But I've also taken little steps, and you can as well. Like for example, if you leave a TV on, you can see that on your smart meter because it comes up on the display as being a draw. So you can go around the house turning things off, and that just saves you a little bit of money and saves the planet in return.